Hi, I'm Marcus, and in this video, we will explore 8 different life insurance policies available. Want to make sure your loved ones are taken care of? Perfect. Let's start with term life insurance. This is a good option for those looking for coverage for a certain period of time and don't want to pay too much money for it. It provides coverage in the event of death during the specified term and can be renewed at the end of that period. Pros include lower premiums than permanent plans and flexibility you can choose when you need your policy to be active. Cons are that there is no cash value accumulation or benefits after the term expires if you're still living. 2. Whole life insurance lasts your entire lifetime and offers cash value accumulation over time, which can be used as an investment or loaned against if you need to borrow money in the future. Pros include lifelong protection plus growth on cash value investments, while still providing some financial security should you need it later on in life. Cons are usually higher premiums compared to other policies, as well as risk if funds are mismanaged by either party involved with the plan. 3. Universal life insurance has characteristics similar to whole life, but also provides more flexibility in terms of premiums and cash value buildup, allowing you to adjust your coverage amount as needed throughout your changing needs over time. Pros are being able to tailor your plan exactly how you desire from length, premiums, and coverage amounts without worrying about restrictions based on age or health issues. The cons, however, include higher costs associated with higher coverage amounts or shorter periods, as well as relying heavily on external factors, such as stock market performance, which can affect returns. 4. Variable life insurance includes features from both term and whole life policies, but adds an additional degree of stock market investments associated with it. Although the pros offered here include potentially high returns due to stock market performance, there is also an element of risk since these returns may not always be guaranteed each year depending on said performance. Additionally, fees may also be predetermined beforehand, meaning that you won't get full control over how much goes into each plan every year, which could impact overall return rates. 5. Indexed universal life insurance offers all the features included in universal life, plus a further degree of protection from large losses associated with stock market performance. With an annual cap put in place, protecting investors from large losses due to poor results while still providing competitive returns during good years. The pros here obviously include better protection overall than universal plans while ensuring decent potential gains regardless, but cons could include lower maximums depending on said annual limit placed on return rates, which could reduce overall global earnings. 6. Convertible term life insurance allows people who do not qualify for permanent policies due to age or health issues to convert their policy into a permanent one at any point during their initial term period without having to qualify medically or financially. This provides great flexibility and peace of mind knowing that you have options later if desired, but conversely may end up costing more long-term given the lack of medical evaluation taken beforehand, which could otherwise allow insurers cheaper prices compared to other plans once qualified medically. 7. Joint survivorship life insurance policy provides coverage that remains active even after one insured party dies under certain circumstances, as long as there is still another insured party living. This type of policy can provide essential financial assistance should either member suffer sudden death before reaching retirement age, when other savings or plans may have been scheduled to fill financial gaps later in aging years. Although pros should be weighted against potential cons, such as reduced cost effectiveness if only one member passes away prematurely, leaving remaining members needing additional help, covering expenses incurred by deceased person's share going forward, etc. Finally, guaranteed issue whole life insurance policies offer guaranteed acceptance regardless of health conditions, though rates may be slightly higher than traditional policies, due partially because no medical evaluation takes place beforehand. So this means anyone is able to find basic protection even faced with serious illnesses or disabilities, which make them uninsurable elsewhere. Pros obviously outweigh cons here, giving people generally peace of mind regardless, whilst allowing them greater access where previously unavailable just solely based upon existing conditions versus being judged objectively through approval process via standard insurers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.